All right, so we're at the local 7-Eleven right now, and Jay got some, what you got there? Veggie smoothie?
Yep.
Greens? Look at
greens.
this. Okay, so we have made it to Asakusa. I'm using Jay's phone right now because my GoPro, for some reason, died on me, but we keep it going. The show goes on, as they say, right? Now, right behind me, we just got off from Asakusa Station, and right behind me, I don't know if you guys can see it, okay, that's the golden poop, as they call it here. That's actually supposed to be a flame, and it's the emblem of the Asahi Beer Factory, but everybody calls it the golden poop. We're gonna go check that out, and then we're also gonna check out the temple, right? What temple is that? Look at this thing. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Golden poop. Welcome to Sensoji Temple. Pretty cool. And a lot of people. Look at all the intricate designs, Jay. It's beautiful. Now that's what I was told. I was told that you got to walk from the sides because the center is only reserved for the gods, according to their belief.
Lane, yeah. But we walk the same way, but we got to go on the side.
Yeah. Okay. Is that where we pray, Jay?
Yes.
Okay, look at that.
You got a 50 coin?
We're inside the temple right now. And I guess we're waiting for our turn to drop some change and bring us some good luck, huh? Almost there, Jay. You're almost there. Push through. How much am I supposed to drop?
The 50.
The 50?
Yeah, the one with the hole in it.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
It might be a 5 though. Look, it should say 50 on it. Does it say 50? No, that's a 5.
I don't have one. It's alright, we'll drop that one then.
Yeah. That's only a 5, but yeah, go ahead.
Okay, well, I just said my prayers. Hopefully, our life will turn around. Cells in the smoke, yeah? All right, so we made it to the Sky Room over at the Asahi Beer Factory, their head corporate office. And look at the view, guys, up here. This is actually a restaurant where you can have something to eat, something to drink, have some Asahi beer. And as you're sitting down and drinking, this is the view that you get to enjoy. Look at that. Beautiful. Once again, it's called the Sky Room over at the Asahi Beer Factory, or the head corporate office right next to it. And you can actually see Mount Fuji right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's all the way out there. There's Mount Fuji. Let's see if I can zoom in more. Perhaps you can see it then. There it is. There's Mount Fuji. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. All right. How we feeling, Jay?
I'm alright.
So guys, we have made it to Yokohama, and right now we are heading over to the infamous Daikoku Parking Area, where all the car meets happen. Hopefully, we'll get to see some sick cars. All right, guys, so we made it to the Daikoku Parking Area, and it is a Sunday morning now. This is what they say, that Sunday mornings are one of the best times to come over here, and I think they are right, because look at this, guys. That is pretty amazing. Look at all these beautiful cars. Wow, look at that. There's a Ferrari right there. RWB.
There's more cars coming through.
Beautiful cars. Look at that. There's the RWB. He's backing in.
This shit sounds mean as fuck.
Jay says these are super exclusive.
Yeah. We got top secret, and we got a mines R34, 35 right here.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude's got the old school bike. buttons, I think. These wheels.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you guys hear the sound? Woo! It's like a war zone out here. Oh my God, guys, look at this Le Mans racing car. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so real quick, for those who are planning to come to the Daikoku Parking Area in the future, just be aware that the cops shut this place down every now and then, and once they do, it's very hard to get picked up. They say that no taxi is allowed here, so you either got to have your own transportation or some sort of a tour company is going to have to bring you over here, because if not, you'll be like us, stuck here in the middle of the parking lot trying to find a way out. Okay, so finally we managed to get out of Daikoku parking lot and we made it to Yokohama Chinatown. I believe this is the largest Chinatown in Japan. And we're gonna have some, what do we have?
Soup dumpling.
Soup dumpling.
And
oh, man.
crispy bottom.
You know, me and Jay came here about a year ago and we had the same thing, and man, it was delicious. Just make sure you don't take a big bite, it's gonna splash all over you.
Bottoms. I think the green one has the pork and shrimp. Yeah. And then the white one has just the pork.
Which one is vinegar?
This one.
That one, okay.
Smell it?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
You want me to put it on all of it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
A little soy.
Okay, we got our dumplings. We got our soup dumplings.
We here at Kimuryu. We got crispy pork, roast duck, and roast spare ribs.
Oh man, this looks good. And we got some Tsingtao beer. Let's dig in.
Itadakimasu.
All right, so we're still in Chinatown. We found this little place in the cut between an alleyway where we're having a couple of Tsingtaos as we continue this adventure. And our host was kind enough to hook us up with a heater. Look at that, we got our own little personal heater. And we got some Tsingtao. And look at this place, huh? Isn't that cool? Well, friends, we made it to our final destination in this epic journey, Roppongi. We got some strong zeros to escort us. And we're going to head over to Meat Man for some, what is it? Yakitori? Yeah, some skewers. So, welcome, my friends, to our last final destination in this trip, Roppongi. Well, guys, that's it. We are now inside the Skyliner Express, heading to Narita Airport. It was a fun trip. It was a wonderful journey, and I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, thank you for watching. Big John's Wine Adventures. Or should I say, Big John's Japan Adventures. Adios.